The Oldsmobile 442, originally an option package on the Cutlass, became its own high-performance model by the late 1960s. The numbers 442 stood for a 4-barrel carburetor, 4-speed manual transmission, and dual exhausts, a formula that made it one of the most respected muscle cars of its time. From 1968 to 1971, the 442 evolved into a powerful, refined machine that could hold its own against the Chevelle SS, GTO, and Charger, while offering a more luxurious edge. Exterior design. The 1968 redesign gave the 442 a fastback-inspired look with sleek lines, hidden headlights on some trims, and a muscular stance. By 1970, the 442 adopted a more aggressive front end with a split grille, sculpted body panels, and optional stripes that highlighted its performance identity. The W30 Performance Package added functional ram air hood scoops, red fender liners, and rally wheels, making it instantly recognizable. In 1971, slight grille and bumper updates gave it a more refined but still aggressive look. Interior design. Inside, the 442 showcased Oldsmobile's focus on blending performance with comfort. Standard interiors featured bucket seats, wood grain dash trim, and a sports steering wheel. Higher trims could be optioned with premium upholstery, air conditioning, and upgraded audio systems, making the 442 one of the more luxurious muscle cars of its era. Unlike stripped-down drag racers, the 442 catered to buyers who wanted both speed and refinement, power and performance. The beating heart of the 442 was its powerful V8 lineup. The base engine in 1968-1971 was the 400 cubic inch V8, producing up to 350 horsepower. But the real stars were the optional 455 cubic inch big blocks. The W30 package delivered a conservatively rated 370 horsepower and 500 pounds-feet of torque, making the 442 a serious street and strip performer. With this setup, the car could do 0-60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds and a quarter mile in the low 14 seconds, or even quicker with tuning. The W32 and W35 packages further enhanced performance, while the ultra-rare W27 lightweight rear end made it even more drag-ready. Old prices. When new, the Oldsmobile 442 started around $3,300, $3,700, depending on the year and options. Even with the W30 Performance Package, most versions stayed under $4,500, making it a performance bargain compared to luxury competitors. Modern market prices today. The Oldsmobile 442 is a highly sought-after collector car. Standard models typically range from $40,000, $70,000 in good condition, while well-restored W30 cars command $100,000, $150,000. The rarest versions, especially matching numbers W30 convertibles, can exceed $250,000, $300,000 at major auctions. In overseas markets like the UK and Europe, clean imports often fetch £70,000, £120,000, with W30 seconds going significantly higher. In summary, the 1968, 1970, one Oldsmobile 442 was the perfect mix of muscle and refinement. With bold styling, luxurious interiors, and torque-heavy big block engines, it